In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise on OBS. First of all, of course, you'll need the OBS on your PC. If you don't have that, just go and download it at any browser you're using. Just type download OBS latest version. Then just click at the first link, download it. If you are using maybe Windows, Mac, or even Linux. After that, just go set up your OBS, launch it, and let's get started. If you already have an OBS, ignore all of that and start with us. So if you want to remove the noise from background, all you need to do is just create maybe a scene or a source and the source as well to start your recording, and all you need to do just come here to the mic/aux. If you click on that, if you just go here and click on the settings icon, as you can see here, we have filters. Just click on that, and here we have a plus icon. We have a lot of things to add. We have compressor, expander, gain, invert polarity, limiter, noise gate, noise suppression, and this option. So if you want to remove the noise from background, of course you would like to add a noise suppression. Just go add it. For me it's already added. Then all you need to do, just go to the method and use this good quality, but it will take more CPU usage. If you have maybe a bad CPU, you can maybe do this method of speaks and it will reduce the CPU usage, but the noise suppression will be at low quality. If you maybe have some decreased mic sound, you can just add some gain. If you have an increased sound of mic, just go or add some limiter. And after done doing all of this, all you need to do, just click at close, and you will be all done. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.